Oppo is all set to change the game once again with its upcoming Find X9 Pro. And this time, the major innovation lies in its camera setup, as fresh rumors from China suggest a significant shift from its predecessor, the Find X8 Pro, which was launched last October and featured a quad camera array, while Find X9 Pro is reportedly going with a leaner triple camera system. But don't let the lower camera count fool you. Oppo seems to be going big where it really counts, with one of the lenses being a massive 200MP periscope sensor, a huge upgrade that could render the need for two periscopes obsolete. And while it's not yet confirmed whether this sensor will be the widely used Samsung ISOCELL HP9, industry insiders believe it's very likely given the trend among Chinese smartphone brands, and Oppo's logic appears to be grounded in quality over quantity, betting that a single large periscope sensor can deliver all the zooming versatility and detail users crave without requiring additional modules, making the camera bump sleeker while still offering cutting-edge zoom capabilities. And this marks a bold new direction for Oppo, which has always prioritized photography, but is now focusing on integrating smarter, more powerful sensors rather than simply adding more lenses. And powering all this camera wizardry will be MediaTek's Dimensity 9500 SoC, following in the footsteps of the Dimensity 9400 that fueled the previous generation. And this chipset is expected to bring not only enhanced AI photography capabilities, but also better thermal management, performance, and power efficiency, perfect for managing the demands of a high-resolution 200MP sensor. And that's not all. According to earlier leaks, Oppo is planning to expand the Find X9 series into 4 models this year. The standard Find X9, the Find X9 Plus, the Find X9 Pro, and the ultra-premium Find X9 Ultra, which hints at Oppo's intention to cater to a broader range of users, from compact phone lovers to pro-tier photography enthusiasts. And interestingly, all 4 models are said to sport flat screens, a shift that could appeal to users who prefer a more practical and symmetrical viewing experience compared to curved panels, with the base Find X9 reportedly having the smallest display size, likely taking cues from the recently launched Find X8s, making it ideal for those who want flagship performance in a more pocket-friendly form factor. And while we still await official confirmation on screen, sizes, battery specs, and additional camera features, the core focus of the leaks so far has clearly been the simplification, yet enhancement of the camera module, positioning the Find X9 Pro as a serious contender in the flagship smartphone arena, especially for photography and media enthusiasts. And by removing one periscope and upgrading the remaining one to a 200MP monster, Oppo may be looking to offer a cleaner design with better usability, without sacrificing performance. And this move also potentially saves on production costs and weight, while doubling down on image quality, which could give Oppo a unique advantage over competitors that are still clinging to multi-periscope setups. And given the company's history of innovation in mobile imaging, from periscope zooms to microscope lenses, this feels like a natural evolution rather than a compromise, and it shows Oppo's confidence in the next generation of imaging technology, especially when paired with a top-tier MediaTek chip. And as the global market prepares for a busy Q4 2025, with heavy hitters like Samsung, Xiaomi, and Apple launching or teasing new devices, Oppo's strategy with the Find X9 Pro could capture significant attention, especially if pricing remains competitive and the camera lives up to the 200MP hype. And with flat screens across the board and powerful SoCs under the hood, Oppo seems determined to carve out a strong presence in the premium and ultra-premium categories. And fans can expect better heat dissipation, brighter displays, and possibly even improved durability thanks to the simplified and streamlined design approach. And whether you're into flagship photography, sleek design, or next-gen processing power, the Find X9 Pro seems to have all. Or at least, it will when Oppo officially unveils it, likely around October 2025, in line with the brand's previous launch patterns. So get ready for more leaks, benchmarks, and maybe even hands-on images in the months to come. And as always, we'll keep you updated with every detail as it surfaces. So make sure to hit that subscribe button and stay locked in with TechVerse, your trusted channel for the latest tech news, mobile leaks, and everything you need to know about the future of smartphones. Because this year, Oppo isn't just launching a new phone, it's redefining what smart photography should look like.